Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue in our the 5th chapter, that is different kinds of material. Okay, in previous video what did you study? Just once remind you, in the previous video already you have studied about that different types of indicators, that is natural occurring indicators and laboratory preparing indicators. Natural occurring indicators, what are they? One is lichen, second one is turmeric, third one is China rose petals, and laboratory preparing indicators are what are they? Now we are getting from the specially methyl orange as a indicator, and another one is phenyl naphthalene as a laboratory indicators. Yes. So and we have studied also what is the neutral substances, and whenever we are putting these indicators in acidic substance, how it changes also we have studied, and whenever we are putting these indicators in basic medium or basic solutions, how it changes its color, we have studied about that. Okay. So but today we are going to discuss about that what are the uses, how we are using this, and what is the neutralization reactions we will study in this today we are going to discuss. Okay, so let us start about that. What is the neutralization reaction? Students, what is the neutral? Neutral means what? That is not a acid, not a base, that is called as the neutral. Already have studied the neutral substances. So what is the neutralization reaction? That means the reaction between acid and base. The reactions between acid and a base are called a neutral reaction. Neutralization reaction means the reactions between acidic substance or acid and a base are called neutralization reactions. That means acid plus base gives rise salt plus water and gives energy, heat energy it is also releasing. Okay friends, so let us start about that. What is the neutralization reactions? Okay, and how it is utilized in our day-to-day life? Today we are going to explain, or today we are going to learn. So start students. What is the neutral reaction? The reactions between acid and base. Whenever the acid and base will mix, then it will become neutral. Remember students. So are called neutralization reaction. Acid plus base, which gives rise salt plus water plus heat. This is very important students. You should approximate it. Acid plus base gives rise salt plus water plus heat. So examples I have written friends. One acid, this is one acid. This is base. This is salt. This is water. And this is heat energy. Okay friends? So acid will react with base. That means what is which acid this is? Hydrochloric acid. Any acid you can take. Sulfuric acid take. Any acid you can take also. So but I have taken here hydrochloric acid. So that is one acid. Base sodium hydroxide I have taken. So acid with the base will mix, react. What will happen friends? It will form salt, sodium chloride plus water plus heat. So how it will form also I will explain to you in higher class also study. Once I will tell you a double displacement it will have coming. So students observe that how the reactions are taking place, and you should remember students, this is hydrochlorine. If you will displace, it will form H plus and this Cl minus. And these two compounds are the two atoms are there. One sodium, one is chlorine. Sodium is plus, Cl minus. Are you clear friends? Double displacement reactions is this. So this hydrogen will react with the which one? Chlorine. Remember friends. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. We are getting hydrogen with the sodium hydroxide, no sodium chloride. Here I have written wrong friends. Sorry, here reaction I have written sodium hydroxide. Okay, so we can write the hydrogen with this hydroxide. It will be mixed because this is OH minus, and sodium with this it will mix. So sodium chloride will get and a hydrogen with OH minus will mix and a water will form. Did you understand about this? Once see here I have written clearly. Here what is that? First one is acid, hydrochloric acid plus base sodium hydroxide. That means see, this hydrogen will mix with this and chlorine will mix with this. Okay, so sodium chloride will form and hydrogen with oxygen will form and water. That means this is H plus Cl minus Na plus OH minus. Plus with the minus will mix and it will form. Okay friends, so this is the general sodium chloride means salt. Okay, so I hope you have understood about that neutralization reactions. Neutral reaction means the reactions between acid and a base. Now students, we are going to discuss about the uses of neutralization reactions in everyday life. In our day-to-day life, how we are using these neutralization reactions? Students, first of all is acidity. First point I have told detail acidity. Students, did you find this word acidity? Your parents, may your grandfather, or almost all members you have acquainted about this acidity. Why acidity? Whenever the acidity will form, stomach pain will come, gas problem will come. At that time, that parents are telling, no, you have more acidity, so you take this something. Okay? Why they are saying acidity means what to do, students? In the stomach, what will happen? One hydrochloric acid is there in stomach for digestive juice. It is called as also digestive juice. Whenever we are food we are taking, that in the stomach secreting that one digestive juice, that is called as a hydrochloric acid. What is that? Hydrochloric acid. It is also called as a digestive juice and it is secreting in the stomach for the digestion of the food. Okay, so that whenever you will be empty stomach, excess, that means empty stomach or it is excess of secreting of the hydrochloric acid. Suppose from the morning up to 12 o'clock you are empty stomach, then that hydrochloric acid will secrete. At that time what will happen? That in your stomach hydrochloric acid, the quantity will be increased in stomach, empty stomach. That time it will form the gas and you will get that some irritation and also some problems, gas problem will come and pain, stomach pain will come. So how will you control this? Now your parents will say you take the antacid. Antacid means what? You take whenever gastric will come or and acidity will form, you will take that antacid. Why you should take that antacid? Now antacid is a mild base that is. Okay, milk of magnesium take, that is the antacid you can take. Milk of magnesium means it is specially base. In your stomach what is there creating more? It is acidity. Acid is there, hydrochloric acid is there in stomach. If you will eat base, sodium hydroxide, suppose one base is sodium hydroxide, the milk of magnesium there. Suppose I am saying it is milk of magnesium, that is base. Then what will happen? Now hydrochloric acid plus base. If we will add both base, milk of magnesium and a hydrochloric acid, it will mix. What will form? Salt, like a neutral will come. That means your acidity will stop. Did you understand, friends? So this is acidity. Antacid if you take, antacid is one of the medicine which is made by that base, milk of magnesium or like mild base. Okay, so this is acidity. Okay, so next we will go for ant and a bee sting. Students, what is this point? Suppose if one ant or honey bees or bees, if will sting to your skin, what will happen? That point, that position, the skin will feel irritation or you will feel that burning sensation. Yes, the burning sensation when you will feel at that time what you have to do. Now, why it is burning? Now, already I have told you, when ant or the honey bees will sting to your skin, they will secrete that formic acid. What is that? Formic acid they will secrete. They will inject at that time, formic acid will come. That which one gives us irritation, some burning sensation, itching like it will form. Okay, so to control that, we have to add the base. We have to add the base also, like I have told you, like a closure or any other type of like a base solution we can add. Whatever I have told you, base like soap or milk of magnesia, or we can toothpaste we can add, and it will be controlled because it will become the neutral, because that this is the acidity. So acidic. So acid, if you add the base, it will become neutral. Okay, students. Now we will go for that. Third one is soil element. Students, almost all you have idea about that. Farmers are nowadays they need more crops. So for that they are using that more fertilizers. Yes or no? Chemical fertilizers whenever they are applying in the fields to get the good crops. What happening? Day by day the soil is going to pollute it, and that may due too much of acidity, more acidity is there, acidic substances, acidic nature is getting more, soil is becoming, or it is becoming also more basic nature. So that's why they will lose their fertility, and they will reduce to get to their crops. Are you clear, students? So what will happen? How we should control it? Now, if you found that the soil is become too acidic in nature, then what you have to do? You have to add the base. What is that? Now you can add that calcium hydroxide. You can add also calcium hydroxide. You can add in that soil. If you found that your soil is more acidic in nature, then you can add lime. Slack lime is there. You can add, and you can, that is calcium hydroxide. If you suppose you found that is more basic, that means you can add organic matter. Organic matter, if you add, they will secrete that acid, then it will be controlled and it will become neutral. Okay, students? So now we can go for the disposal of factory wastes. Students, in the industry or the factories, they are disposal which is waste material are thinking and living in the water bodies or in the river, in the ponds or the different sea. They are directly leaving that all waste things to that water. So what will happen? This almost all that we are waste product we are getting from the factories, that all are acidic medium or acidic in nature. So whenever we will add with that substance which and or other things, that basic substances in that acidic substance of, then water bodies will become neutral. Okay, students? So all these are in our daily life we are using. And students, also your teeth paining, take care of that your teeth sometimes your pain will come. What you are using? You are using that toothpaste. That's why you will do that brush. Why? Whenever you will use that. You will use the toothpaste, what will happen? That acidic, whatever that bacteria are secreting that acids they are forming, that it will be controlled. Then your tooth pain or decay, it will be stopped. Okay, students? So I hope you have understood about this chapter, and what is that acid, what is the base, what is the neutral and neutral substances, and what are the indicators, and how the neutral reactions also I have explained to you, and I hope you have understood all the chapters. And if you have doubt in this chapter, then you can ask my personal contact number, so and you can discuss. Okay, students? Now name the two neutral substances. Okay, students? The neutral substances are there, and you should write down the examples of neutral substances. When do you need antacid? Antacid when you should get. Why you need that antacid? When you should need. What will you add to the neutralize acidic soil? If your soil is acidic nature, then what you will add? Okay, friends? Thank you all of you. Stay in home safely. Thank you. Have a nice day.